What's going on, guys? This is Taylor with Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK555HYD-TK. This will be our hydraulic brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with Timken bearings with the 5 on 5.5 bolt circle. You can see right here, this is our box you get it in. Got our nice logo on it. We got two smaller boxes down in here. Make sure everything stays nice and neat while it gets to you. We'll pull our smaller boxes out. See right here, we got our turret hub and drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. And the way we're going to measure this bolt pattern is from stud to next closest stud, center to center. That's going to be 3 1/4 for this one. Our races are already pressed in on both sides. We're going to have our hydraulic vacuum plate. It's already TrueRide inspected, ready to go. The way we're going to tell left hand and right hand on these is this piece right here is going to point towards your truck. And we'll come over here, pull our small parts out. We have our other hub and drum and our other vacuum plate. With this kit, you're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand vacuum plate. And we're going to get 10 lug nuts. We're going to get our mounting hardware. We're going to get 8 studs, 8 washers, and 8 nuts. So we're just going to stick these through here. Stick it through the plate on the axle. Put your washer on. Put your nut on. That's good to go. And we're going to get our bearings. You're going to get a set of bearings for each side. So this is going to be our outer bearing. This is going to be the L44649. Just pop in right there. This is going to be our inner bearing. This will be the L68149. That'll just pop in right there. These are Timken bearings. They are stamped Timken. They are made in the US. And we're going to get our grease caps. And we're going to get 4 of these. And the reason that we get 4 is you'll notice 2 have the hole in them and 2 are solid. These are for your easy lube spindles and these are for just your regular spindle. These are going to come with your rubber cap and your tang washer, and this will replace the cotter pin. And then the regular grease caps, the solid ones, are just going to come with your regular spindle washer. Then we're going to get castle nut and cotter pin. We can see right here, most guys won't send you the cotter pin. We like to make sure that you get everything for what you're doing. So we'll throw our castle nut onto our spindle, pop our cotter pin in, hold it on there nice and tight. Then we're going to get our seals. You're going to get 1 for each side. Then you're going to put your bearing in, and then you're going to pop your seal on right behind it just like that. That's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple stuff. Thanks for watching. That was the BK555HYD-TK.